Hi guys, here 20 divided by 5 times this is 4. 20 divided by this is 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. This is wrong as per the order of operations PEMDAS. Now we are going to introduce that rule that PEMDAS. Here this is multiplication, division. Both are equal priority. Also this is addition, subtraction. Here also this is both are equal priority. For this we have to follow here left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this PEMDAS rule. Here this is bracket which is higher priority than all others. So as per this rule we have to do this bracket first. So 20 divided by 5 times 4. Here we have division and multiplication, both are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right rule. So left to right here is this one. So here 4 times this 4. This is 16 is the correct answer.